We now take you to Kitui County, where groups of women have swapped charcoal burning and logging activities with fruit and vegetable farming in effort to conserve the forest cover. The group grows fruits in deforested areas, both as an economic activity and to conserve the environment.
It acts as a medicinal. We are making sure that it is not used up for cutting firewood.
We prefer to plant a moringa tree. We use its leaves for medicine. We crush the seeds to clean our water for drinking. And its leaves, when it drops down, it makes manure to protect our earth.
In her younger days, Museni Ndanu witnessed trees in her home area felled regularly for charcoal and logging as source of livelihood. However, the situation is slowly changing as groups of women in the area have taken up horticulture farming.
Going through the pots, we ensure that we do what we call root pruning.
The women are reclaiming degraded forest land by growing an assortment of fruit trees and vegetables.
Tumeshukuru kwa hiyo, imetusaidia sana, imetufunza vile tutakuwa tunafanya mashamba yetu. Kama hii yangu haina mbolea, nianze na hii miti ndio nimepanda. Ndio hii shamba ikiwa hii miti imetoa matawi, ikiongezekea mbolea nitakuwa ninapanda kama mahindi ama mbaazi, siwe zinanisaidia kwa chakula ya watoto.
The women plant indigenous trees alongside fruit trees and have started nurseries to scale up fruit production.
Kwa jua miti ingine ni dawa na matunda tunapanda kama passion fruits, papai na mboga ya kutusaidia.
The group of 16 says each make 25,000 shillings a month from this venture and are planning to scale up their operations and expand their markets.
Tumesaidika sana kwa hiyo, na kuna mahali tumetoa, tulikuwa tujui la kufanya tukiwa na shamba kama hii, na vile vile matunda inatusaidia sana kwa sababu tuko na watoto, na hii mti itakaa kama miaka 15 na tumeifurahia.
The International Tree Foundation and Kenya Forest Research Institute are working with the group to inculcate the best afforestation practices to sustain their venture and restore the area's forest cover.
Where communities burn and produce charcoal, there's over-harvesting of sandalwood. That is of concern, but also very much available in these ecosystems. Logging, particularly for furniture and for other purposes. The natural regeneration areas, we are seeing the conversion them into commercial and also other land uses.
International Tree Foundation, we plant trees with the communities. It's a community-led organization whereby we work with the communities to conserve our forests. We believe that women are the beginners and nurturers of nature. We also incorporate fruits for nutrition. They are doing it as an investment, as an enterprise, so that they are able to keep their children in school. And together with the women in all communities that we work in, we have seen quite a big difference on the forests, on their areas in their farms.
In the dry areas, we have got a lot of indigenous fruit trees which have been not been properly utilized. One of them is the white expires. In the local name is called Kimu. The other one is Zemenia. The other one is Baobab, the huge tree. We are trying to add value other than selling the seeds like Baobab. You get the mabuyu, but from the mabuyu you can add value and get some juice from it. For the pios or white pios, we can also get jam instead of using the common blueberry we are using. In the dry areas, especially here in Kitui, a lot of lands or farmlands have been degraded. We have come up with dryland babu, which we are trying to reclaim or rehabilitate, and we are trying to tell farmers how to capture or how to reverse the trend of the soil erosion using the bamboo for soil conservation.
The groups hope that the afforestation venture will not only sustain their livelihoods, but also improve the area's ecology to support more farming activities in future. Benson Rioba for FarmWise.